Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am very excited to open this package. I knew it was coming, and it is from Sarah at Octopudding. If you don't know her channel, you are missing out. If you're one of those people that say, oh, I'd love to learn to crochet, her channel is a good place to start. Sarah is in the UK. She sent this in plenty of time for it to get here for Christmas, but the post office did not work with us. But I am excited to bring you this video. Anything from Sarah is a big deal. Big deal. She is incredible. She does not just crochet, she also sews. She has unboxings and all kinds of, oh, Deron. Yeah, my cameraman, I'm going to have to smack him back so I get to taste some of
filming
these.
is over. Thank you, Sarah. Bye.
Some hot chocolate and a couple of candy bars. Oh, Sarah. Well, we could stop there and be happy. All right. Sarah is going to be...
I was going to say, it's not like I'm going to get to play at the doll stuff. So
That's only fair, right? Sarah is also going to be a guest speaker at, oh my God, look at this. At the Winterfest, Smart Doll Winterfest, that is for all 1/3 dolls. Oh my God, look at that hat. Oh, I love Sarah's stuff. Look at this little purse. Isn't that cute? And what Sarah makes, functional. And this is that soft, oh, what is it called? Chenille. Oh, I love this. Love. This is fantastic. Deron, can you focus in? There are not just one bead at the end of that. There's a gold bead and a little red shine bead. Oh, God, that's gorgeous. Sarah also, many of you might know, she's also a published crochet pattern, what would you call it, creator in crochet magazines. She's incredible. Tell you what I really like, and it's a simple thing to most, but to me it's a big deal. Oh, this is fun. Ooh, what a fun little bag. But let me show you the most exciting thing to me. I collect these cards that have the Blythe or Smart Doll on them. Sarah made that for the Smart Doll, and she, I think she does different pictures for her business card. Isn't that the coolest? I mean, that makes you want to save her cards. That is just the coolest. Focus on that so they can see her channel and Facebook and Instagram and very cool. Now, look at this. Wow. I use, isn't that the cutest little tiny candy cane? And everybody likes those rainbow candy canes too. And Christmas colors, you know, I love that. I started to say, I use these little hair clips all the time for my dolls. They are, boy, if you've got strands of hair that fall and you don't want to pull back the whole hair, these are fantastic. Gosh, she gave me a half dozen of those too. Wow. Look at these little gingerbread men. Oh, and there's another one of the, oh gosh, those are so cute. Little gingerbread men ×3. Wow. Thank you, Sarah. And then this headband. How cute is that? I bet this will fit a midi Blythe. That just looks, well, I don't know. Might be
Barbie?
mini Blythe. We'll try it. We'll try it on some. Oh, and there's a card. Let's see what the card says. Start to say.
I'm sure it says candies for you, Deron.
Season's greetings to Deron and Marna. Merry Christmas. Love from Sarah at Octopudding. She is just a class act, Sarah, and she's so cute. She's such a beautiful woman. She's cute and she's layers. You know how some people say some people are onions because they have so many layers and you think you know them and then something else comes up? She and her family do cosplay. I think that is so cool. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my goodness, look at this Alice in Wonderland. Oh, I love this, Sarah. Wow, Sarah, wow, Sarah, wow. Thank you so much. Let me go get a Smart Doll. Isn't she adorable? Yeah, she does still have kind of a summery outfit on, but it's New Year's Eve. Sarah, this is, oh gosh, this is such a big deal. All of it. I love the crossbody bag, the little scarf. You know, I love your scarves and hats. Just so cute. I went and got Fortitude because her face is perfect for the little raccoon. I just love it. Fortitude has been hanging out in her ice skates for over a week now. I've been trying to test the strength of the super glue of the skate blades glued to the boots. So I went and got her. I think she looks absolutely amazing, Sarah. I cannot thank you enough. And Deron, not to after the video's edited. How about this? You can have your halves while you're editing. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Sarah, you're amazing. Please visit Sarah's site. Please subscribe to both of us. Leave a like on both channels and make a comment. Let Sarah know you saw this on my channel and you thought it was cute. Thank you for watching.
Merry Christmas. Thank you, Sarah.